Well, plants are everywhere around us, and I have got one right here. Well, this plant manages to stay alive via the process of photosynthesis. This process of photosynthesis needs water, and this movement of water from the roots to the leaves is carried out by physics. Yes, you heard that right, physics. Physics defines this movement of water, and that can be described by three different processes. The number one being the capillarity action. To understand capillarity action, let me demonstrate an experiment. Well, here I have a plate with some colored water in it. What I am doing is putting a tissue paper right over it. What happens is, as soon as I put tissue paper over it, it sucks it up in a matter of few seconds, and my tissue paper is now colored and my plates get all cleaned up. Well, this tissue paper right here acts like dozens of tiny million capillaries. These capillaries act as a medium and provide a way for water to move upward against gravity. This movement is carried out by surface tension, the forces of adhesion and cohesion. And that's what happens right here in this plant. This plant has tiny vessels called xylem tubes. These xylem tubes are so tiny that water moves against gravity towards the leaf with the help of surface tension and the forces of adhesion and cohesion, which is thus again facilitated by transpirational pull. Now you may wonder what transpirational pull is. See, so outside captivity, when this plant is in its natural habitat, air moves around it. For example, I blew air around it. What happened at that instant when I blew air is that, according to Bernoulli's principle, where there is high velocity, there is low pressure. So, at this leaf surface, there was high velocity, but the pressure was really low. But at this level, at the stem level, there is no velocity, but the pressure is really high. Thus, uh, water tends to move from a medium of high pressure to low pressure, and here's how physics defines this whole process of the movement of water. And at the root level, where this process was initially initiated, was here. Here, the roots act as tiny permeable membrane that sucks up water via the process of osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water from a medium of higher concentration to a lower concentration, and hence it is sucked up by transpirational pull and capillarity action, and thus reaching its final location, that is the leaf, and hence the photosynthesis is carried out. Well, all of this can be easily formulated, the capillarity action, the transpirational pull, in formulas, but that's not really the point. The point is to look things in a different way, to create assumptions, to create conclusions, and draw experiences out of it, and to spread joy. And this is my aim to do so, and I hope I continue to do this. And thanks for watching. I hope it helped you to get a better grasp at the topic from my point of view of understanding it. And yeah, thanks for watching. I